This is what the wood yard looks like in the beginning of January. Not much here, so I've got maybe 2 or 3 triaxle loads of logs there. That's what I've got left for bag inventory. Still have that 1824 gas back there, and this is the setup pile that we just use the excavator for spinning and loading the live deck on the 1824. But was talking with a customer of mine from up in Wisconsin, and he's wanting some pictures and videos of how we move the log loader, or how we use the log loader for taking the bags around. So that's what we're gonna do. One thing that I like to do, and I've learned this over the course of time, is I like to stack the wood underneath the strap versus just letting it go over the bag. Because if you can get a good tight squeeze on it and all that wood is underneath the strap like that, you can apply a lot more even pressure on the bag for transport, and it doesn't really wiggle down inside the firewood bag, so it comes loose. Now, going over to Pizza Paul's is maybe, I don't know, 5 or 10 minutes, depending a red light or two. But I will not have to get back out and tighten this back down. As you saw, I do get a pretty good tension on it with the trucker straps. I've actually broken the pallet before, then that sucks. But doing it this way, we've had minimal straps come loose, or I've never even lost a bag, knock on wood, coming off the trailer. But it seems this gives me a better squeeze is if I reorganize the pile so it's perpendicular underneath the strap up and over for a better, tension for pulling down on the whole bag. All right, so this is all I was using for connecting the grapple to the bag itself. Just a standard 3/8 inch standard chain. And like the safety hooks, I like the little spring piece. It just helps contain the upper strap on the bag so nothing slides out of there. We just do 4 of those, that's all that it is. And now it's time to take the trailer back home and close this video out. So, all right, so we're all strapped back down again. I did grab some of my empty bags, threw a strap over them, and now we'll head on back to the woodlot. And I wanted to show you that's where I hang the chains, up here on the little safety shield for the power pack. Makes a real nice spot for them.